It is 2026, February the 2nd. Welcome to my channel. So, we have a little bit of a recovery. We went, in the crypto markets, we went above 78,000. So that's a good relief. My algorithms are definitely, working, in like working overtime right now. So it's definitely nice to see some relief. Definitely looking towards 85,000 to to um, to relieve my positions. So it's a good day, you know. I'm gonna come clean. I freaking released the seed again, which sucks. Lasted about a month, which is like the bare minimum. Like, you don't want to do it. Like, I would say a like excellent is 6 months and over, but 1 month is like fucking not that good. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not that good. And we need to continue to work on that. You know, we need to continue to be more vigilant. So I just know I'm dead set now. Like, I'm for sure that I'm not gonna do it ever again. And so we're just yeah, man. A lot of grief, very sad, you know. Um, Today I don't have to go to work. It's Monday. The operator called in sick, so there's no work for me today, which is a good thing, I guess. I guess I needed this downtime to really collect myself. It's a shame, because I wanted to make money, but whatever. We don't have to. We don't have to make money. Definitely in a hard time in life. You know, you have to admit that this is a hard time, and the only saving grace is Jesus. And you know, whether or not it's like you need to love something, you need to direct your love towards something, or it's an actual supernatural. I am fighting with my wrath and my vengeance a lot, and only Jesus Christ can save me from myself, right? So that's whether it be, you know, just like a placebo effect, or if it's actually supernatural, we'll never know, and I don't really care to know, because you know, I made like $1,500 in like 1,500 US dollars in like 24 hours, and all through the grace of God. Like, I'm literally I was just literally praying, you know, like, Lord Jesus, Son of God, have mercy on me, for I am frail. Because I cannot attribute any of this to myself, because the market is so complicated, and you know, I'm only able to do this through intuition, and these are super short like moves. I'm only in the market for like a few minutes, like a minute sometimes only, and because the volatility is so massive, like it just blows my parameters right out the water. So I'm just like, fuck this. I'm just going to scalp since the range is so large. And it's been doing good. Also, I also made like a few $100s here. Shorted here. That was not a good call. I was shorting according to my algorithm. I saw that it just like completely expanded. So that's clearly because of the news, red folder news on 7 a.m. So yeah, so the ISM manufacturing expanded for once, which means that there's more economic activity in the manufacturing sector, and most since 2022. So that's a good start, and that's why the market expanded in this direction, because the algorithm doesn't have knowledge about that. Like, it was just understanding this, but this entire move here, the massive one, 1.51%, was because of this news starting at 7 a.m. And I capitalized on that, so very happy. So the market is completely random, and these regimes are extremely sensitive to these type of things. So yeah, we finally have rose above discount levels, and we're currently offering up to premium levels, which is good. So that means the market is recovering finally. So I don't really have much to say. I just have to confess that I didn't really fucking I kept the word for as long as I could, but I don't know, it was just opportunistic, because like I was so relaxed, had such good food. I was like, whatever, I'll just do it this time. But yeah, I'm good now, man. Like, I really don't want to do it ever again. Like, it's kind of disgusting. So we don't want to do that. And you need to like assert yourself. Like, just go. You can just do things. Basically, you can just do things and generate wealth. Just by being humble. Because as I said in my previous video, like fucking, it was my wrath that ultimately led me to be in denial and self-destruct. So I'm always on the watch for my mentality and my behavior, my emotions, because in trading, all you're not doing anything physical. You're only managing your emotions. That's it. That's like what it fundamentally boils down to. It really is just sitting and enjoying your life, as it is, and you're not doing anything. You're literally just managing your emotions. And I have found that having a multi-pronged approach to the market, so I'm like on all time frames. I'm doing the long-term game, I'm doing the mid-term game, and I'm also doing the short-term game. Has really helped me develop a better approach with this tool set that allows me to understand the market on a more fundamental level. Because at the fundamental level, markets are just all about regimes and market churn, understanding how algorithms work, how the books are created and destroyed in like split seconds, over and over and over again. So like this entire market, this bearish regime was crazy, man. Just non-stop. Like my algorithms here could not even be relieved here. And that's like when you know the pressure is on. That's when you know the algorithms are the sell algorithms have huge inventory, and the buying pressure just couldn't breach this level. And that's when opportunities are immense. So the ISM news has been good, and like the level of volatility, this is very common in Bitcoin price action. It's extremely volatile. The range is like thousands of dollars, and but clearly it's marking up into buy side premium, which is great. And clearly you can see this regime and this it's not finished market churning. Basically there's a huge amount of inventory and still a huge amount of sell pressure. It needs to work through all that inventory before it can even decide to go up to these levels here that I've marked out on the chart. And I do feel that the US 100 moves the most elegantly. I took profit a little too early. I was targeting 25,700, 700, because yeah, I felt like that was a good level. That was like where the VWAP is ending here, right? That's where it says that the extreme is, but it even breached that level as well. So I took profit too early, but as you can see, you know, that's just what happens when there are willing buyers. The market just has to price up, because the offers get just continually explode upwards, and eventually, you know, the algorithms they want to find the best price to provide the liquidity, right? So they continue to lift orders over and over and over again until they find a level that they can deal at, which they feel like they can hold, and they are currently holding here. So these opportunities are fleeting, and it's always about, you know, like, it's always about managing your emotions. I told you that's what trading is. And I guess this is a good entry, you know, but I don't really feel like trading anymore. I've already made my money. I'm good. I don't really want to take the risk. And as always, these emotions, they're different every single time. But I feel like the most important point I can make in this video is, yeah, it's trading is very intuitive. There's just, you have years of experience, and you're in the present moment, and you have to make these decisions. And I can't really explain why I make these decisions, which is why I feel like that it really isn't like up to me. It's not really like you have to be extremely humble. Like, this skill isn't from me. It's like otherworldly. It's like supernatural. And like you have to understand, like, there is physicality involved behind the scenes. Like, this is hundreds and hundreds of thousands of tons, even hundreds of millions of tons. Because what is money? It is directly ascribed to physical matter. Okay, like your house, everything that money can buy is physical, right? You can buy gold, you can buy silver, you can buy copper, you can buy anything, and all of that has weight to it. So the market has a weight as well, and you can have the perspective that it is the entire weight of the society that we live in, or more succinctly, the economy and the productivity, the drive, the projection that is propelling human civilization forwards, like a giant spaceship, basically. You have to think of it like that. That's the feeling you have to have. That's the visualization and the feeling of operating such a large ship. Such a large vessel. So once you understand that, and that you are completely at the mercy of this large body of mass, and only then can you begin to, like, destroy your presuppositions. Because the reason it has taken me so long to get to this point, because you basically have to be kind of retarded, okay? Like, the market is really retarded in the way it moves. If like literally it just goes up if it looks like it's going up. It's just gonna go down if it looks like it's going to go down. You don't need to complicate things. You just need to manage your risk and your position sizing, and not get too greedy and fall into these terrible emotions, right? These terrible sins. And that's it. That's basically it. Nothing, these algorithms, because they're lagging indicators, right? They're not going to really give you that edge. The edge is in the risk. The edge is in understanding that you are at the mercy of this market, and to understand the churn of the algorithm, like, within context of the market regime. So it's always going to attempt to deal into areas, places of liquidity, and these voids will not have as much volume in them. That's basically what it means. You can see, like, so yeah, that's basically it, man. And I'm not greedy. I just get in, I get out, because I'm good, man. I'm good. Just take one trade and get the hell out, and that's it. I'm done. And so looking forward, I don't think I'm gonna try not to release the seed ever again. Like, unnecessary, like, in a sinful way, I guess. Because you just feel like it's complete destruction afterwards. You feel like, oh, I fucked up on my trading, and I fucked up on my like in my vow, I'm a complete failure now. But you have to get back up, brush the dirt off your shoulders, and keep moving forward. Even though like I've kept up my discipline for so long, just falling off the horse just this once, it's like, fuck, man, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It's a waste of time. It's gonna take me like a few days to like get back into that confident level that I'm at when I affirm my my like my virtue, like you know, where I don't lie and am extremely truthful and honest person. So yeah.